Making wood chocks from scraps. To make my wood chock fit the contour of the wheels approximately, I trace it. Actually, you don't even have to do so. You can just bevel at 45-degree angle, or not even bevel at all. I just want mine to fit snugly. 1.5. Let me now derive the angle. I have a leftover 2x8, enough to make a pair of wood chocks. With 1.5 thickness, I can use 3 pieces on each chock. I mark the trays 1.5 inches apart. So it says 40 degrees. 43 degrees. And this one is 50 degrees. The base is a foot. You can make it any length. Actually, you can just cut the wood and make a chock and that's it, but I just want to make it nicer and curvy. Okay, this is 45. It's by 5, so I'm at 40 degrees. But notice that I am cutting at the opposite angle. It's going this way, not that way. So here's the drawing we have. You are actually want to cut this orientation, but instead we are cutting in reverse. See, if I draw a perpendicular line here, I'll use the black. This angle, total angle here is 90 degrees. So if this is 40 degrees, this is 50. This is 43, so this one would be, guess what? 90 minus 43 is 47. This one would be 40. And this is for setting up my circular saw. Oh, that's the thing. I'm only up to 45. Here's my plan. I don't need to perfectly curve it. I'm just gonna say, I'm gonna cut this to 45 degrees. And so this is also 45 degrees, not 50. And I'm gonna make this like 43 degrees. That makes this 47 degrees. And then I'm gonna cut this to 40. That makes this 50 degrees. So it's still gonna curve up because the angle here increases. If you want it very easy, just, you don't even have to bevel it, but I want to make it so that it's curvy. I found this scrap of wood I have. This is 2x8. Okay, let's start cutting. Always wear protection. First one is set to 45 degrees. 12 inches, 1 foot. Let me put something in here. Degrees. Cut straight. Last one. 40 degrees. Now I'm done with cutting. It's a scrap wood. It's warped a little bit. We'll fix it as we fasten it with the screw. Hopefully it doesn't crack. I have this remaining glue. I'm just gonna finish it all. drill. Just gonna use this center. Again, center. This will work. Two and a half. Let's mark screw here. Screw. There you go. Gonna be good. 3 inches on this side because it's warped. There's your wood chock. Perfect. You can put handle. Doesn't have to be accurate. Just to avoid cracking, I pre-drill it. Fold, bend. Other side. Fold. Second one. Two wood chocks. Cool.